Oh, thank you. I have to admit, in a million years, I'd never think that sheep could be... so stupid! What did I tell you? Ragear! One more step and I'll pop him like a ripe blueberry!
You monster! Let him go!
What are you all waiting for? The dinner bell? Kill them!
How could you forget Margaret's legacy so quickly? When I left you, you were a proud wolf pack. Now you're just a bunch of pathetic jackals fighting for scraps.
Magra? Ha! You want to talk about Magra? He died because of you! And now you dishonor his memory with this flock of fuzz?
Liar! I saw everything! You two were talking and you pushed
He killed Magra! I'm your leader! You take orders from me!
You're not their leader yet, Ragear. You have to win a duel first. Is he wolf enough to accept my challenge?
You want a duel?
Look out!
You get your duel, you dumb fluffy sheep!
How's this, Fluffy?
I told him everything he knows. Go, Gray! Go!
I guess this is it. Looks like I'm turning into a sheep forever.
You're wrong, Gray. You've always been a sheep. A dumb, useless sheep.
Better a sheep than a revolting worm like you, Ragear.
Who's that?
It's Bianca.
And too bad for you. There's no magic potion that can ever turn you into a wolf.
Guess it's too late.
Think you can humiliate me in front of my back? You died as you lived, a failure!
Hey!
So who's your leader now? Answer me! Who's the wolf here?
I'm the wolf, Ragear. I am the wolf. And as long as I draw breath, you'll never be leader.
Just you wait! You'll regret it!
I'd call that a forfeit.
You